Is your roof showing signs of wear? If you're in Lakewood, New Jersey, and your roof has seen better days, it might be time to replace or repair it. Asphalt shingles are the perfect solution for homeowners looking for durability and affordability. When your roof needs attention, you want professionals you can trust. We specialize in high-quality asphalt roofing for homes in Lakewood, New Jersey. Our team has the experience and knowledge to handle any roofing job, big or small. We offer free, no-obligation roof inspections, where we'll assess your roof's condition and recommend the best solution. Asphalt shingles are a popular choice because they're reliable, cost-effective, and come in many styles to suit your home. Our team uses top-grade materials and expert techniques to ensure your roof is installed correctly. Whether it's a full replacement or simple repairs, we're here to get the job done right. With your new asphalt roof in place, your home is ready to withstand the elements for years to come. Durable, affordable, and long-lasting, our asphalt roofing solutions have you covered. Don't wait for leaks or bigger problems. Call 877-735-7406 today for professional asphalt roofing services in Lakewood, New Jersey. Our team is ready to help you protect your home. We don't just install roofs, we build trust. We are proud to serve the Lakewood, New Jersey community, and we stand behind our work with a satisfaction guarantee.